Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add fractions now. So here we go. I hope that you will bear with me and I hope I can help you. First, make your denominator the same number. The easiest way is to multiply the number of the first term by the number of the second denominator. Then do the same for the second denominator. And then multiply your number. As you can see, you will get the same denominator for both terms, like this. Now since you have the same denominator, you can add the top, which is 15 plus 8, and keep the denominator. So 15 plus 8 is 23, and keep the same denominator, which is 10, and that's how you add fractions. Thank you guys for watching.